Dreaming of studying law at one of India's most prestigious universities? Then Banaras Hindu University is the place. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Law School Insights. And today we are going to discuss everything about Banaras Hindu University. BHU was established in 1916 by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji, and BHU ranks amongst India's top law schools. Now let's talk about the academic programs and seats. BHU provides BA LLB where there are total 74 seats with 50% reserved seats for SC, ST and OBC category students. And if you want to pursue BA LLB, then the eligibility criteria for the same is that you must have successfully completed or you must be appearing in your senior secondary school, which is 10+2 or equivalent from a recognized university. However, the applicants who have obtained 10+2 or graduation post-graduation through Open University system directly without having any basic qualification for pursuing such studies shall not be eligible for admission to 5-year BA LLB program. Minimum marks in qualifying examination for admission should not be below 50% of total marks in case of general category students, 45% in case of OBC candidates and 40% in case of SC and ST candidates. अगर BHU की ranking की बात करें तो it was ranked 19th among law schools in India according to NIRF 2022 ranks and is known for its rigorous curriculum and alumni network in the judiciary, academia and policy making. Now let's talk about the campus facilities of BHU. BHU's main campus spans 1,360 acres, making it the largest residential university in Asia. It houses over 32,000 students and provides accommodation in 72 hostels. 36 for boys and 32 for girls. Library. Central library with extensive legal texts, journals and digital resources. Talking about hostels, there are separate accommodations for men and women. Moot courts, dedicated spaces for practical training, sports and culture. Facilities for athletics, debates and cultural festivals like Spandan. Now let's discuss the student life and committees in BHU. Talking about the committees, there are several committees in BHU such as Legal Aid Society which provides pro bono services, Moot Court Society which organizes national competitions, annual debates like Samvad and Manthan, and BHU is amongst the most affordable colleges in India as its fees is Rs 36,150 per semester. Now let's talk about the internships and placements of BHU. Students secure internships at Supreme Court, NGOs and law firms through college placements. Top recruiters are Luthra & Luthra, EZB and Partners and many government bodies. Average package of BHU ranges between 5 to 10 lakhs per annum for top graduates. अब BHU के बारे में तो सब कुछ जान लिया, but BHU में एडमिशन कैसे लेना है? तो पहले तो BHU अपना खुद का एडमिशन टेस्ट कंडक्ट करवाता था which was BLAT, बट वो डिसकंटिन्यू हो गया और अब BHU एडमिशन लेता है CUET के थ्रू. एंड इन एडिशन टू CUET UG, candidates must apply for BHU's combined allotment program which is also known as CAF UG. So that was all about BHU. और क्या आपको ये interesting fact पता है? The Sayaji Rao Gaikwad Library, which is the central library, holds over 1.3 million books, including 7233 rare manuscripts. Its architecture resembles the British Museum, home to one of India's largest libraries. What else do you want to know about BHU? Do let us know in the comment section below.